Happy holidays. This is a short video to allow people to understand what they need to do if they're going to add games as a JGLA scheduler. First thing, you have to start with a list of games you'd like to add. Many of you are going to be going to scheduling meetings where other people will, provide assistance on how to do that. To enter games, you need to know all of the following: the game date, time, specifically the level, and your home team and your away team, both of which will require you to know the level, the program, and in many cases the color, as well as the site, and most importantly, the subsite if needed. Here are some games you'd like to add. 3 games on a Saturday before the season opens: 2, 3, and 4 o'clock. Long Valley versus Mount Olive. 3, 4 followed by 5, 6 followed by 7, 8. If you have credentials on ArbiterSports and you log on, this is where you'll start to. If you click on the game's link to the right of a build to, that's the easiest way to get into where the games can be added. And we already have those. So we're going to switch over and we're going to go to, this is what you would look like if you were adding games in Long Valley. You would start by clicking on the games link. You'll notice there are no games yet. You hit plus, and that brings up, you start with your level, which is 3, 4. It's Long Valley. There's only one 3, 4 team. Mount Olive. You'll notice there's a black and a red, so we need to know which one it's going to be. For now, we'll just leave it as black. Long Valley Califon Fields, but it's going to be field number 3. The date is the 14th of March, and it's going to be at 2 p.m. And there we go. We hit save, and now it comes back, and you'll see we have a game available. It's successfully saved the game here. Now we're going to follow this with 5, 6. It's going to be Long Valley. They have a blue team. Mount Olive. They only have the one team. It's Long Valley Califon Fields, but it's field number 4. And our start time is now 3 p.m. We hit save, and it will tell us that it's added a new game, successfully added. And finally, we're going to finish up with the 7th, 8th grade, and it's modified checking. Long Valley, there's one blue team. Mount Olive, there's a 7, 8th modified. Califon Fields, it's going to be field number 4, and instead of 3 p.m., it's 4 p.m. And we hit save, and now if we hit cancel and come back, we should see that we have all 3 games that have been successfully entered. There we go. And we'll put out another video shortly that will show you how to edit games you've already entered in case you've made a mistake, or if you need to add notes. In this case, because there were 2 teams who weren't sure, I would sit there and say, click on the notes, add a note, and say black or red team, question mark, which can be a note to self, and you would make this available to other build tos so that your opponent would see it as well. Save, exit. And now whenever you come on, if you look and see notes and there's not a plus, it means there is a game note on the field. You should probably check that. Thank you very much. I think that will do it for